Are waxing bumps still ruining your smooth skin? What if I told you one 7-second step can stop them completely? Stick around, this short trick could change your entire waxing game in 30 seconds. The 7-second ice hack, the game changer. Freeze the problem before it starts. Rub an ice cube on skin for 7 seconds, tightens pores and numbs nerves, reduces redness and swelling, prepares the skin for better waxing grip. Exfoliate 24 hours. If for waxing dead skin equals trapped hair equals use a sugar scrub or exfoliating mitt, unclogs follicles and clears, build up smooth skin surface, lessens pain during waxing. Choose the right wax for your skin. Not all waxes are created equal. Hard wax for sensitive, various soft wax for legs and arms. Look for natural ingredients. Do a patch test first to avoid waxing on irritated skin. Don't wax over trouble. Red skin equals already inflamed skin, may lead to scarring, causes deeper follicle trauma. Let skin fully heal first. Clean skin before waxing. No oils, lotions, or dirt. Wash with gentle cleanser. No moisturizers 12 hours prior. Pat skin dry completely. Optional. Apply baby powder lightly. Don't skip moisturizing. After waxing, calm the skin. Post-wax aloe vera or fragrance-free lotion hydrates open pores, helps prevent ingrowns, aids faster recovery. Always pull the wax strip correctly. Technique matters. Pull opposite to hair growth. Keep strip close to skin, not upward. Hold skin taut. With the other hand, pull swiftly. Don't hesitate. Avoid heat for 24 to 48 hours. Heat equals inflammation. No hot showers or saunas. Don't sunbathe. Avoid sweating or tight clothing. Keep skin cool and clean. Don't wax during your period. Sensitivity skyrockets. Hormones make skin more reactive. Pain feels worse, increases chance of bumps. Best time equals menstrual cycle. Wear loose, breathable clothing. Friction is the enemy. Tight clothes rub against fresh wax. Bacteria plus sweat equals irritation. Cotton underwear greater than synthetic. Let your skin breathe. Don't scratch or pick the area hands off. Ticking causes microinjuries, spreads bacteria, increases risk of ingrown hairs. Use cold compress instead. Use a soothing serum or gel. Nature can help calm skin. Aloe vera, chamomile, witch hazel, anti-inflammatory properties. Keep in the fridge for cooling effect. Apply 2 to 3 times a day for 48 hours. Exfoliate 2 to 3 days after waxing. Prevent clogged pores. Use gentle scrub or dry brush. Do not exfoliate too soon. Aim for 2 to 3 days post-wax. Promotes smooth regrowth. Avoid alcohol-based products on skin. Harsh and drying stings. Freshly waxed skin removes natural oils, may lead to more irritation. Use alcohol-free alternatives. Stay consistent with your waxing routine. Don't wait till long. Wax every 4 to 6 weeks. Helps hair grow in same cycle. Thinner regrowth means less pain, easier to manage over time. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.